This is totally worth it. First off, are you kidding me? First off, a reference photo. Or your reference doggy. Reference photo. Next, I opened up my favorite art program, paint.net, which I'm gonna do over here. Alright, let's open up paint.net. Ignore the script on the screen.
Okay, if you're gonna breastfeed, you have to keep my boob in your mouth.
To put my reference photo on the second screen.
Nice.
Next, the base colors and getting the general shape of my doggy. Great, let's get some different layers for the different parts. This is very important. You cannot have enough layers. Name the layers, dog, dang it. Name them. Okay, fine. I'll name the layers. Great. Let's add some highlights, details, and the rest of it. We're done. Oh my god. I use Unity to rig, animate, record, and even export the news videos. For coding, I do not use Unity's default editor. Next, I'm going to create some empty game objects. I got quite the surprise during filming. My wife actually came in and gave me a gift, and look at the color differences of these hats. Insert sound effects. Alright, this one's gonna be just for hiking now. We're on! Yeah! Woo! New orange hat. Naming these game objects is actually absolutely essential. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Especially for animating. Especially for using... Oh my god. Unity 2019. Who uses that? Who the pup uses that? This grandpa. Animating is actually my favorite part, and I think it's the easiest thing to do. You just drop the animator onto the game object, you create an animation clip, add some lefty righties, uppy downies, and we're done. Again, great. That's it. The dialogue manager is, well, the basis of our dialogue.
Oh, the dialogue manager, the manager of the dialogue that needs managing right.
It holds the info for our text box, as well as deciding what letter goes next on screen. Actually making the dialogue box is a bunch of mess. Who would have guessed? Now we're going to make some classes for blinking, as well as controlling the actual animator from the code, and the phonetics of the mouth. Now, we need to create the actual thing that holds the story info, that talks to the dialogue manager. Just a big broken up text string with tokens that communicate with the newsroom and other things like Sill's animations, and really controls basically everything. Yep, that's it. Hey, Editor Zachy here. I realized that I forgot to put in an entire section, a section about audio, music, and sound design. Things like Sill's voice, and how it's literally just me doing that. Yeah, that'll be a future video now, so stay tuned. All right, back to the video. We're done! You may be asking yourself, why, Goofy Guy? Why put in all of this effort to turn your silly dog into a newscaster? Let me tell you why. The world is in a state of flux right now. Things are confusing, scary, rough, to be quite frank with you. And I think the world needs a bit of positivity, a bit of whimsy, a bit of silliness. And what better way to do that than a silly dog giving you positive news as a 16-bit version of herself. Come on! That through my art, my writing, and my general goofiness, that I can make the world, or at least your moment in time with me, a little bit of a brighter, lighter place. Aww. Yeah, let's make the world a brighter place through positive news. Yeah, that's right. I hope y'all support me and my goofy game development journey into the future. Up to the stars. Thank you.
Ow! Ugh. No, don't do that. No. Don't kiss me on the lips. Don't kiss me on the lips. I know where those tongues been. I know. Hey. I love you, puppy. I love you, Sally. I love you. I love you, doggy.
Go outside? Okay, let's go outside.